After a long wait of more than 7.5 years, a senior Gujarat cadre police officer DG Vanzara will come out of jail. Ahmedabad CBI court gave him bail in the 2004 fake encounter killing of Ishrat Jahan and 3 others, but made it clear that Vanzara cannot enter Gujarat. Vanzara had retired last year and had earned a name of encounter specialist after his name in many such cases. His brother and lawyer were happy at the relief given to Vanzara.
चार्जशीट होने के बाद जितने भी इसमें गवाह है वो सारे पुलिस अफसर है, इसलिए उसको डराने धमकाने का कोई सवाल नहीं है। लेकिन मिस्टर बंजारा का सोहराबुद्दीन केस में बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर ये है कि उसको बॉम्बे नहीं छोड़ना है, बॉम्बे में ही रहना है। तो ये कोर्ट ने जस्ट टू मेंटेन दैट ऑर्डर ये ऑर्डर किया है कि हर वर्किंग सैटरडे को मिस्टर बंजारा ये कोर्ट में प्रेजेंस मार्क करवाएंगे। ये ट्रायल जब चलेंगे तब यहाँ रहेंगे। इसके अलावा जब तक फर्दर ऑर्डर नहीं होता है वो बॉम्बे में रहेंगे।
Earlier in the day, another accused in the case, PP Pandey, also got bail on a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees. He has to come to the court every Thursday and will not be allowed to leave the country. Judge K.R. Upadhyay had concluded the hearing on bail plea arguments 3 weeks back. Vanzara and Pandey's lawyers had argued that IPS officer Satish Verma misled the CBI in its probe. He questioned why only select few cops were made accused while others were made witness, despite 20 cops of Gujarat Police and State IB being named in the FIR.
PP पांडे की जो जमानत के लिए अर्ज गुजारी थी, वो CBI स्पेशल कोर्ट ने आज मंजूर करके उनको बेल पे रिलीज करने का ऑर्डर कर दिया। उसकी कंडीशंस में 1 लाख रुपए का उन्हें जामीन देना है और 2 श्योरिटीज 50,000 ईच का जामीन के इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जाने का आदेश है। हर थर्सडे को उन्हें यहां अपनी प्रेजेंस मार्क करवानी होगी कोर्ट में।
PP Pandey was Joint Commissioner of Police in the Crime Branch. Currently, he remains suspended from the post of Additional DGP. Vanzara was deputy to Pandey in the Crime Branch when the encounter had taken place. Apart from Pandey and Vanzara, CBI had charge-sheeted IPS officers GL Singhal and Narendra K. Amin and other officers Tarun Barot, JG Parmar and Anuju Chaudhary for murder and criminal conspiracy. 19-year-old Mumbai girl Ishrat Jahan and 3 others were killed by Crime Branch Ahmedabad police more than 10 years back. Police acted on the basis of an intelligence input that claimed that they were involved in a plot to kill Narendra Modi. Bureau Report, DD News.